how to fix Microsoft error 4VTNF. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix the Microsoft error 4VTN5, that is Microsoft is not working at the moment. So just go to the search bar and type down services, and here is the system application of services. So just click on services and you'll be brought to this interface. So what you gotta do is, among this list you gotta find Microsoft account sign-in assistant. So scroll down until you come to the M section, and within the M section search for Microsoft account sign-in assistant. So here it is, so just click on it and you'll be brought to this interface. So you gotta make sure that the startup type is automatic instead of manual. So you can just select automatic, and here you can see that the service status is stopped. So you gotta click on start. So once you click on start, you'll be able to see that the service has been started and it is running. So just click on apply and OK. So you can just click on it again, and just in order to make sure that it is automatic, and you can see it is automatic right now and it is running. So just click on OK. And after that, just right click on it and click on restart, and it will take a couple of seconds in order to get restarted. So you can just double click on it again and make sure it's automatic and running, and just log into your Microsoft account after this and your error would be resolved. So that was how you can fix the Microsoft error code for VTN5. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials and tech tips. See you in the next one.